Okay, we're here. I believe it's day 12 now. Leaving Madawaska, ran it down to 95, busted across, and wiggled our way down. And we stopped right over here in Syracuse where we ended the whole day. Some tire changes, some clutch action. Yeah, so we pretty much hibernated in Syracuse for the rest of that day and locked it down. Total of 749 miles on that jump from here to over here. Yeah, 749 on miles, 7,602 so far to Syracuse right here. That's right. Let's see how it went that day. Gotta go. Hey y'all, how many deep we on the ground, y'all?
How many? 20? 20?
20 on the ground. I got 200 good Twitter clips heading to New York. New York. Fire!
brought your ass out of them too. Y'all was probably like, but I had to get you from here.
Had to get the big Vermont sign. Put the key off.
Yeah.
Here riding the country, talking to people. Tell America where we at here, young man.
You're in Syracuse, New York, where obviously we have speech impediments. So I can't talk today.
So are you guys one of the bigger dealers here in New York? Because I see it's a pretty large establishment you have here.
Yeah, up in upstate New York, we're one of the bigger ones.
Okay.
We're right on the main thruway north-south, and same thing east-west, so we get a lot of people coming through. So
Okay, question. Do you guys, what all do you guys provide? Do you guys do performance stuff as in other than Harley Davidson, like going bigger, or just straight Harley Davidson bolt-on items only?
bit of both.
Bit of both?
Mainly try to stick with Harley Davidson because that's the brand, but we do have a good selection of aftermarket and stuff like that.
Okay. So if you need the speed, they can still get you there if you need it.
100%.
Hey, so hey guys, I'm just letting you know we've been with these guys for all day here, doing some bikes, and so they've treated us very. Hospitality is number one, guys. So I'm just letting you know if you're in the area, Syracuse area, where we at again?
Performance Harley Davidson, Syracuse, New York.
Hey, come see them. They'll take care of you. Like some Goodfellas kind of restaurant scenario. We're finna walk up in here and make a deal. Talk about who ain't gonna make it home tonight.
Okay.
This is great food. We're finna find out. Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry.
I ain't got no compression. It's just slim.
Yeah. Okay. We're looking like we got one down. Got him a new tire on the back. So yeah, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Got new tire from a man. The front was okay. Well yeah, so we're making it happen. We over here in Syracuse at your local Harley Davidson dealership. They got some bad bikes up in here. So they're finna take it out for the test run and make sure everything's good to go. And here we go. I'm gonna walk you guys down this diner we ate at this morning and let you see what I see. Now this is a pretty big Harley Davidson dealership out here in Syracuse, New York. It's a massive building. I'm gonna take you guys inside in a minute. I just wanted to walk down here to the Jim's Diner that we ate at this morning. Look how big that building is. It's big. So we got a few bikes that are in there getting tires on them. You know, things that happen when you get out here on the road. And hey, that road gonna win all the time. Gonna eat some tires up. As you're eating the miles up, things happen. So here I was at the Jim Diner, and I was kind of wondering, was it in a movie or anything? Because it looked like something that could have been used in a movie, you know. So I was saying, hey, let me come down, take a picture, and just see some things. Let y'all see what I see. So yeah, we're standing out here at the All-American, the Gym. See, they got a Ford out here with some custom flare work on him, skirt work on him. Yeah, it's a Ford Galaxy, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. So that's where we're at. Ate here this morning, so you know they have some pretty good food, good service. I'll let you know if you're ever in town. This might where you want to check out the food at. Tell them Rob sent you. Yeah, I see as I traverse the New England houses here, this exactly looks to be two houses, 812 and 814. So it's two family unit thing. You know, they got the basement underneath them, you know. Some houses I've seen it even be three houses, three families in one house. But yeah, they got the stormproof windows and stuff going in. So yeah, it's an interesting experience if you've never been out to the East Coast and it snows up here. So, you know, and this is old style houses that have been around for years. You know, get your snow plow out and handle your business type of shit. But I see the weather is beautiful out here. It's summertime, of course. But yeah, just walking the neighborhood. But yeah, just fraternizing with the locals. I just got off the phone with my friend. Smiley called me. Highway Smiley, as he might say. He said he got him a BMW now, he says he rides. And he said I think it's this bike right here, something like this right here. And I said, what? He said, yeah, he hasn't rode his Harley Davidson much. He said his bike can go off-road and on-road. So I think this is the bike he's talking about. And yeah, if he bought something like this, boy, he is ready for whatever. And it looks, just about looks at this thing, it's ready for whatever. Whether you want to go up, down, around, the road ends, give it some more gas and make your own road. BMW. Not saying I'm anti-Harley Davidson, but I got one. But I always like to keep the options open. But like I said, this is a pretty big dealership. I'm in this one. I'm gonna walk inside. They got a little museum upstairs, so we're gonna see what it do. Okay, so coming through the side entrance, got them nice blue Road King. Hey, if you're in the Road Kings, ooh. Lionheart Park, looks to be true jeweled out. Saddleman seat, nice blue awning, 117. So we're in here, like a waiting room. I have not seen blue. No, I've not seen blue. So we over here in the waiting room, like what everybody's expecting. There's a girl or boy, I don't know, but you know.
I ain't been in here. He thinking back.
We'll walk upstairs and go check it out.
He said, "What's the distance?"
So, as they say, they got a pretty nice showroom here. Y'all buying anything today? Or y'all just looking and touching?
I've been in here so long, I done looked at everything twice.
Oh
This thing is so neat. Have you noticed it?
yeah,
How
I've seen
works?
it. And it clicks.
So when you take it off, to get it off, you twist it.
Yeah.
Put it on to lock it. Now it's locked.
Oh.
And then they have one you can have it, you know, locked to the angle.
Okay.
That's real cool. I was
But-
wondering how these work.
Do they make it so it works on the R bars? Which
Yeah,
you gotta
looks
put
like
it.
it. See the little-
Well, this ain't gonna go on the R bars if you got them triple OG bars,
Oh,
but you
yeah,
gotta
you
get
got
that other mount to go to the right here. It is right
Yeah,
here.
you have the bigger
Something
ones.
like that,
Oh, to
yeah.
go into the little.
Just the levers, yeah. I'm just gonna do a tour around, take a
Oh
look.
yeah, it's nice up there. Can you go upstairs?
I'm going upstairs now. I'm gonna go check it out for sure. Look at the steps. Oh, that's nice. Let's see what we got going here. Dragster. If the club has been around long enough, you'll have something like this on a wall somewhere. I've seen bikes like this before. Harley Davidson, Syracuse, New York. But there was another runner. Aluminum wheels, PM brakes, old school bikes. Oh, early model. kid bike. Another kid bike. Ah, this is one like my man Heavy used to ride. 67. They call this a shovel head motor. I wasn't too familiar with these, but 56. Uh-oh, we're getting earlier. 53. That's the shock. 41. Ooh, that's even older. And it's dripping oil. Look at those tires in the thing. So, they said they got one more. They got the observation deck. Like I told you guys, this place is big. See the showroom floor? Syracuse, New York, you guys. Syracuse, New York. Only way you can see these type of things is if you physically show up. A video can't do it justice. A YouTube post can't do it justice. You know, this is all the models on the floor. Wow. And we can, as they say, take it to the top down. It even got hotter as I got up here. Like I told you, this dealership is large. Harley Davidson. Somebody need a motor, they got one. Yeah. So, come out here and just be out here. As you're waiting for your service to take place or something like that, you can be out here that sees the whole upper part of Syracuse. Well, that's all I got to show you guys today. Wait for some bikes to get done. We can get back on the ground. Until the next episode, I'll see you when I see you.